Cryptocurrency charts can seem complex at first glance. They are visual representations of price movements over time. Learning to read them is like learning a new language. This language communicates valuable information to those who understand it. Understanding these market stories is crucial for anyone involved in crypto. Reading charts is about developing a clear view of the market right now. It helps to recognize patterns and understand current sentiment. This skill removes some of the mystery from price changes. It empowers you to make more informed decisions regarding your crypto assets. When you can interpret what a chart is showing, you can make better choices. You are not just relying on rumors or gut feelings. You can approach your crypto activities with greater confidence. You are using data to guide your actions. This is a significant step towards navigating the volatile crypto space more effectively. We will journey through the basics of crypto charts together. You will learn how to identify key signals and what they mean. The goal is to read these charts for understanding, not for prophecy. Support levels are fundamental concepts in chart analysis. Think of a support level as a price floor for a cryptocurrency. It is a price point where the asset has historically struggled to fall below. When the price approaches a support level, buying interest often increases. Buyers see this level as an attractive entry point. This increased demand can cause the price to stop falling. It might even bounce upwards from this support zone. Resistance levels act like a price ceiling. This is a price point where the asset has historically found it difficult to rise above. As the price approaches a resistance level, selling interest tends to increase. Sellers might believe the price is high enough to take profits. This increased supply can stop the price from rising further. It might even cause the price to reverse and head downwards. A simple analogy can help visualize support and resistance. Imagine you are bouncing a ball in a room. The floor represents the support level and the ceiling represents the resistance level. The price of a crypto asset often moves between these levels. It is important to remember that support and resistance levels are not always exact lines. They are more accurately described as price zones or areas. Moving averages are widely used in technical analysis for crypto charts. They smooth out price data to show a clearer trend. They calculate the average price of an asset over a specific number of periods. For example, a 50-day moving average shows the average closing price of the last 50 days. This helps to filter out short-term price fluctuations. These indicators are helpful for identifying the overall trend of a cryptocurrency. If the price is consistently trading above a rising moving average, it suggests an uptrend. If the price is below a falling moving average, it suggests a downtrend. Different time periods can be used for moving averages. Traders often watch for crossovers between these moving averages. However, moving averages are lagging indicators based on past price data. Volume is an essential component of chart analysis. It shows the total amount of a specific cryptocurrency traded during a given period. High volume means a lot of trading activity, while low volume indicates fewer trades. This information is crucial for assessing market interest and strength. A significant price increase with high trading volume suggests strong buying interest. Volume can be particularly insightful when price approaches key levels. A breakout with a surge in trading volume is generally considered more significant. Volume adds depth to your understanding of price. When you're just starting to learn how to read crypto charts, keep things simple. Avoid cluttering your charts with dozens of different indicators. Focus on mastering the fundamental concepts first. Concentrate on identifying support and resistance levels. Pay close attention to price action and trading volume. These are the core building blocks of chart interpretation. Look at charts across different time frames. A chart can present a very different picture when viewed on a 1-hour, 4-hour, daily, or weekly basis. Examining multiple time frames provides a more comprehensive perspective. Practice your chart reading skills through paper trading or demo accounts. This is an excellent way to test your understanding without financial loss. Be patient with yourself and commit to continuous learning. Becoming proficient at reading charts is a skill that takes time, practice, and dedication. There's a wealth of educational material available. Read articles, watch tutorial videos, and follow experienced analysts. The key is consistent effort and application. Keep practicing, and your understanding will grow. Developing the ability to understand cryptocurrency charts is a powerful skill. It's not about predicting the future with unerring accuracy. The true value of chart analysis lies in understanding present market conditions. It allows you to see the forces of supply and demand at play. Support and resistance levels indicate potential turning points. Moving averages help to define the prevailing trend direction. Volume indicators provide insights into the strength behind price movements. These tools together paint a comprehensive picture of the market's current state. This knowledge empowers you to make more informed decisions. You're equipped with tools to conduct your own analysis. This fosters a sense of control and reduces anxiety. Mastering crypto charts is a journey that requires patience and practice. The goal is comprehension, not prediction.